Hi there, I'm Mark and welcome to SimAITools. This is an AI platform with 10 tools I've built for daily use. They are lightweight, simple, and designed to be as intuitive as possible. Just to be clear, I'm not trying to compete with the big giants like Google or OpenAI or anything like that, or you name it. These are just my own versions, built for real everyday needs. Let's take a quick tour of what's inside. This is my own version of chatbot. Fun, friendly, and super useful for your daily based needs. AI to-do list. You can add tasks by text or voice. It auto-generates your daily list, itineraries, and syncs to your phone or Google Calendar with one click. Smart content writer. This is your AI writing buddy. Emails, reports, contracts, or even resumes, just type or speak, and it drafts them for you. Weather and outfit assistant. You're not sure what to wear every day? It checks the forecast and suggests outfits for your day or week. Nice and fun. Expense tracker. Simple and voice enabled. Log your daily or monthly spending fast so you will never lose track of your budget. Health and nutrition coach. Type, speak, or upload a meal photo. It breaks down your nutrition, tracks your intake, and gives you a diet guidance. Real-time translator. I actually built this for my parents and relatives. It's lightweight but powerful.
私たちは来年日本に行きます。
Perfect for chatting with foreign friends on the go.
Nous allons au Japon l'année prochaine.
Habit tracker. Log your daily habits by text or voice. Stay accountable with reminders sent to your phone or Google Calendar. Trip and route planner. Plan your next trip with AI. Just enter your dates and destination. It suggests the best place and itineraries for you. Grammar checker. I use this daily to fix draft and polish writing. It's quick, simple, and super handy. In the future, I will have demos for each tool, and I plan to add even more tools in the platform. But for now, this is just for testing phase. So if you are into simple AI tools or just want to follow my journey, stick around. And thanks for watching this demo, and thank you for trying SimAITools. Enjoy exploring the tools, and peace.